If you thought Jamaica was not going to be competing at the Qatari World Cup of Football, well, we've got news for you. You were wrong, because the Jamaican presence was felt today on the second day of competition in Qatar. Two players of Jamaican heritage got on the score sheet, with Raheem of England, who was born in Jamaica. He scored in England's 6-2 victory over Iran earlier today. And then Timo Weah, who is son of Weah, the Jamaican, who is married incidentally to the Liberian president, George Weah, and former footballer, George Weah. Well, Timo Weah scored for the United States in their match against Wales. So two Jamaicans scoring in Qatar on this day 2 of the competition. Well, we'll keep it locked on Jam Fed to let you know more about the different stories, the Jamaican stories coming out of Qatar, as we continue to celebrate the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.